So you might just be like, Susan, why do you have so much random stuff on this little table right here that's not even in the frame of the camera? But I don't care. And your short answer is DIYs, and your long answer is TikTok DIYs and life hacks too, because I want to be original and talk about life hacks and DIYs and make it into one video. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Let's just get into these TikTok DIY life hacks, and basically what I'm gonna do is I wrote down some of these life hacks and DIYs that I've seen on TikTok, even though I don't have TikTok, but I've seen DIY TikTok compilations before. So that's why I'm doing this. Should we start with life hacks or DIYs? I wanna start with life hacks, honestly. So look at this Rubik's Cube, right? Look, it's all solved nice and easy, right? Yeah. Well, let's mess it up. Now it looks unsolvable, right? But according to TikTok, if you turn this left one counterclockwise and then the right one clockwise, and then you just repeat this pattern counterclockwise, clockwise. This is really just testing to see if I know which way clockwise is. So why might you need to do this? I don't know. Maybe your life depends on you solving a Rubik's Cube. Maybe you get stuck in some like torturous escape room and the only way to escape is to solve a Rubik's Cube, and if you don't know how to, then you are in danger. Or also it's a fun party trick too. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and it's not solving. I give up. That life hack failed. Boo! So this is literally a horrible idea. I just thought it would be funny, and this has nothing to do at all with any life hacks whatsoever. I just wanted to do it. Don't ask me why. I just wanted to see if it works. So cup of water and a placemat. In the TikTok I saw of this, they were using like a menu and put money in the water, but I just want to see if this works. So there we go, it did work, and it holds the water in like this. Ta-da! Okay, that was a waste of everybody's time, and now I'm gonna have to clean all of the water up. Next life hack that I don't think will be as ridiculous and pointless is a toothbrush holder using a toilet paper roll. So basically, you just cut this out like a little thing from here. Perfect, right? And then masking tape. Obviously, I don't have my toothbrush here, but pretend this is my bathroom. And I don't want to go get my toothbrush from the bathroom, so we're going to use this brush. Oh, it works! That one was a success. This is perfect for me, I think. You need glue gun. It's basically gonna be a coffee cup cleaner. And you also need 2 little sponges too. And then 2 magnets, and I think that's it. Now the glue gun's heated up, I'm gonna set one of these magnets and glue it inside the sponge thing. Okay, that's good enough. And then we can just hold the sponge together. And now that the sponge is glued, let's see if this works. So I put the sponge inside of the little container, right, like this. Now use the magnet, and it's not working. This isn't working! What it's supposed to do is this magnet is supposed to stick through to this magnet, and it's supposed to go like this, so then the magnet moves the sponge around from the outside of the glass, but that's not working, so hashtag fail. We're not trying that life hack again. So that was the last life hack. It's time for the DIYs. This one, it looks the most promising. So you need a plate. This is from the dollar store. I'm gonna move the camera down so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. Then you need a little cup. And then you need a fork, which you're gonna glue right here. But you're supposed to bend the fork upwards. So this part is like parallel to the plate. Or perpendicular to the plate. Sorry, forgot geometry there for a second. So now that the fork has been bent properly, it's time to glue it onto the plate. Okay, so now you put the glue there and then Let's just see if it glues. Did I even tell you what this DIY was? No, I don't think I did, but you can find out at the end. And I'm just gonna glue this on the outside. Okay, so now that's glued. Fake flower time! So cute. So let's just chop the flowers off the stems. And basically what you're gonna do with these cut flowers is you're gonna glue them onto the fork so you can't see the fork, and then it's gonna look like flowers are pouring out of the cup. And no, I don't know anything about arranging flowers, so I don't know if this looks good or not, but I just picked colors that hopefully look good together. Wow, okay, that actually kind of worked. That looks cool, like all the flowers are pouring out. That's a cool decoration. Obviously, it could have been a little bit more put together, but I think it looks nice-ish. The next DIY, you need some felt, which I found around the house, and a hair clip, which I also found around the house, and the hot glue gun too. So for this, basically you cut out the felt and glue them into like flower petals, and then glue the flower petals onto the little this thing. So what I'm going to do first is the little stem of the flower, the little center. So I'm just going to cut off a little square like this, and then I'm going to cut like this. I'm not cutting each part all the way off. I'm just cutting it so it's almost off and like kind of fringing it. I'm gonna roll this up. And at the very, very end, I'm gonna put a little glue gun dab right there and then fold that over. Ta-da! There's the little center part of the flower. And then I'm just gonna glue this little stem part on the top of the hair clip. Honestly, I'm just making this up. I'm pretending like I know what I'm doing and I'm just hoping it works. And then I'm gonna cut out a little strip of the cheetah print. Then I'm gonna wrap it around the little flower petal thing. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right here on the tip and fold it over and hold. Now I'm just gonna repeat the process until I am done. Okay, ta-da, there we go. So it worked. I just don't think it looks very cute. Like, would I ever wear this? No. Would I wear this as a Halloween costume when I'm trying to be a cheetah girl? Yeah, maybe. So it worked, but it's like, So what did we learn from this experience? Don't touch hot glue or else you're gonna burn your fingers off. But, you know, some of those worked. Some of those definitely didn't. Honestly, this video did not go at all how I thought it was gonna go. I thought that all of these life hacks were just gonna go perfect and all of the DIYs were gonna turn out wonderful. But did that happen? No. This one gets a point. But anyways, thanks for watching this dysfunctional video. I'm just gonna post it because although it didn't go as I wanted to, life is messy and life doesn't go as we want it to go all the time, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down something funny below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.